Hello guys, back again with me, Ramadhan, and in this video is the second video of my mid test. So the subject of this video is the add-ons of pictures or the line deep short. So in order to download this, you need to go through these links, and I'll put it in descriptions, in the text description, so you don't need to go through all of that manually. And you need to make sure your versions is compatible with these add-ons, and the other one is to make sure the requirement apps is installed into your Odoo device or applications. The first one is purchase and the second one is invoicing, so let's make sure that the applications is here. So the first one is purchase, so I already have it, and the second one is the invoicing. There you go, I already installed those two requirements. And if you don't, please do install it first, and then you can proceed to the next step of this video, which is downloading these add-ons. So after confirm that, I'm just gonna click download. It's gonna, yeah, it doesn't really take time. So after that, here is the download files. I'm just gonna extract it, and here it is, the files and the folders that we needed. Just copy that and paste it onto or into your add-ons root folder. No, not that. Paste that, continue. I'm just gonna refresh that and confirm the folders is copied correctly. There you go. After that, I'm usually close my video tab, so then I'm gonna go run the programs, or you can just click on Windows icon plus R. There we go, and you need to go to services.msc. After that, click OK. Oh, my hair is not tidy. There you go, and you click your Odoo program. Just click or type O there, right click on it and restart. Wait a few seconds until your Odoo server is restored correctly. There we go, we already install our Odoo server, and go back to your localhost. Wait a few seconds, and pardon me, mouth is pretty dry, and I'm recording this in night, so I'm still on my fasting state. Don't worry guys, and there you go. And I'm usually go to settings first and activate my developer mode. So there you go, I'm going to activate it, and I'm going back to the apps menu and exclude that filter, and because this is an add-ons, you just go click on the add-ons name or the line. It usually shows nothing like this, and how to solve this is just click update apps list and here, and click on update. So in order to do this, you need to activate your developer mode on. So that's why I always activate my developer mode on first on the first state. So after that, you're just gonna refresh. So yeah, and FYI, the developer mode on is indicated by this icon, a back icon, and then you go through or redo that phase, which is just gonna copy that, kinda lazy. Just exclude that apps filters and paste on here, and click and enter. Oh my god, I can't. Alright, purchase order line. There you go, and here is our add-ons. Just click on install. Wait a few seconds, yeah, it's gonna take quite sometimes. So yeah, purchase order line deep short, that's a long name for an add-ons. It is published by TEcnativa with the Community Association. So okay, after it is installed, updated, because this add-ons is based on a purchase module, so obviously we want to go to a purchase module and confirm that the add-ons is completed or installed correctly. So to check on that, you just go into the configurations and settings, and after it loads, there's an additions of options or menu in this area, which is called a default sort criteria. So in this menu you can sort your purchase orders line or every single line items based on its criteria. So in this case, the line order, I'll sort it by its product name, so make it easier, and we can use it like the date plan or the price or the quantity. So the normal case is the product name or the date, so I'll go with the product name, and the directions is kind of ascending. You can use descending, it depends on your preference. I always go to ascending for the product name, and if the date plan, I'll go with descending one. So it depends on your preference, and just click on save. After it loads up and refresh the page, that confirms the settings is already saved. It took quite some time. There we go, it's already saved, and we can check the settings, is it already applied to our modules or not. We can go to purchase and purchase orders. So in this case, I'm going to use my scenario which is requested by the mid-test exam. So the first one is we need to put a large cabinet with 2 quantities or 2 pieces, and the price is 2 million rupiah. So we're gonna create an order there. The vendors, which is Odoo interior, there we go, and we put the items called large cabinet, E comes 07 large cabinet. Let's call it here large cabinet, or summon it large cabinet. E comes 07, there you go, we put it there, and the quantity we needed is around 2 pieces, and the price is around 2 million rupiah. We also use the taxes here, it's 10%, and another one. The other one is a customizable desk, which is an aluminium in a black color, so SK004. I can search on it, it's gonna take quite a long time. Customizable SK004, there you go. The quantity and the price is 3 and 1.5 million, so 3 quantities. The price is 1.5, sorry, and the tax is 10%, the default one. So the third items is cabinet with doors, it comes 11 cabinet with doors, E comes 7, A comes 11, I'm sorry, did I say 7? No. And there is the quantity is 4 and the price is 2.5. Got 4 and it goes 2.5. There you go, the tax is always 10%. And the fourth items is conference chair, E comes 12. Conference chair. Alright, I think I type it wrong. Conference chair, can we, but we will search it by chair. There you go, conference chair, it come 12. There you go. How many do we need? We need 10 of them with the price of 900. Need 10 of them. Price is 900,000. I'm sorry, cancel that. Price is 900,000. And be reminded, this price is based on Indonesian rupiah. And on to the last items, which is a drawer case black. Let's go with the drawer case. We're gonna find the black one, and we need a 2 of them at the price of 1 million. We need 2 of them and price of 1 million. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. There you go. And the tax is always 10%. So I want to explain the functions of this add-on. So this add-on function is also sorting your line items on your purchase order. So in this case, the line items is these items 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 items is lined into our purchase order and sort by its initial input. So in this case, my line items does not sort it by any kind of criteria. So like I said before, like I set up before, I want for my line items is sorted by its name, and sorting is ascending. So in this case, it should be from an alphabetic order. So like L is not supposed to be on top of there, and C is supposed to be on top of L, and D is supposed to be on top of L, right? So in this case, it doesn't show the functions, or it doesn't show the sorting functions of these add-ons yet. So how to notice that, and is it failing? It's not failing. So in order to see that, you need to click on save first, and the line items will automatically sort by its name like this. There you go. The first one is the large cabinet. The previous one, the first item is large cabinet, but right now it's a cabinet. It is C and A, C and O, C and U, and D, and L is in the last one. So it's correcting the sorting lines. It starts from the alphabetic order from C into D and into L. So it is ascending. So the functions that we just set up is working properly. So after that, it's gonna go back into our menu and go check onto your settings. If you are kind of curious and just want to double check that, there you go. We sort the items by its product name, and direction is ascending. So what we just did is correct, and it's fully functional, and it's done. And I guess that's all for this video. I think it's quite great and informative, and also I hope you guys found it useful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.